Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open the box and remove the Vltava LED wireless charging speaker. Check the contents for the speaker, USB-C cable 1, 2 meters, and quick guide. Place the speaker on a flat, stable surface near an outlet. Plug the USB-C cable into the speaker and a 5V2A adapter for power. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on. The LED ring flashes blue once when the speaker successfully powers on. Place a Qi-compatible phone centrally on the charging pad to start 10W wireless charging. The speaker shows a steady white LED when charging is active. Pair your phone by enabling Bluetooth and pressing the Bluetooth button until the blue LED flashes. Select Vltava speaker from your device list to connect. Use the volume plus and minus buttons to adjust sound levels. Long press the volume buttons to skip forward or back through tracks while connected. Cycle LED modes using the dedicated LED button to choose solid, pulse, color loop, or off. Adjust brightness by quick tapping the LED button to step through levels. Reset the speaker by holding the power and Bluetooth buttons together for 10 seconds to restore factory defaults. Clean the exterior with a soft, dry cloth and avoid liquids reaching ports. If wireless charging fails, reposition the phone centrally and try a different 5V2A.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.